December 2014, 88-year-old Beji Caid Essebsi was elected president of Tunisia.
I want to say that youthfulness is not some kind of civil status. It's a state of mind.
It was the crowning achievement of a political career spanning more than 60 years. A lawyer by training, Essebsi first got involved in politics in the 1950s when he joined the fight for decolonization. After Tunisia's independence in 1956, he performed various government functions under President Habib Bourguiba, including Interior and Defense Minister, before being named ambassador to France in 1970, a position he left 2 years later as an act of protest against Tunisia's one-party system. But Essebsi could not stay away from politics and came back to the government in 1981 as Minister of Foreign Affairs. He then served as President of Parliament between 1990 and 1991 under the country's new leader, Zine El Abidine Ben Ali, before stepping back from politics for nearly 2 decades. When Ben Ali was toppled by the Arab Spring Revolution in 2011, Essebsi came back to take over as interim prime minister, swearing he would retire after elections were held. Yet the crushing victory of the Islamist Ennahda party convinced him to give it another go. In 2012, he founded the Nida Tunis party, which united various political factions under the banner of secularism. After a campaign where he cast himself as the candidate of stability and experience, Beji Caid Essebsi became Tunisia's first democratically elected president with over 55% of votes. His term in power was marked by a resurgence of jihadist terrorism, regular protests over unemployment, and accusations of favoritism, which saw his popularity plummet in recent years. Last April, the 92-year-old announced he would not stand for re-election and said it was time for someone younger to take over.